See if I can take this video all the way out. Oh. Ah! Yes, I just sunk. See how she gets back to work when I walk out here. Aren't you done yet? Aren't you done yet?
No, we're not done.
Uh-huh.
We're talking about how Jerry had not seen thunder snow before.
Never? Well, we've seen it since we've been here.
That's what Terry said.
Huh.
I'm not that alert, I guess.
Maybe you were working and you didn't hear it.
Maybe.
It's probably, it sounds a lot like a plane, you know.
Right, it does sound a lot like a plane.
I heard you had some ventilation last night, huh?
Well, yes, but that's okay. I woke up really hot because all the windows were closed. Okay.
You should have seen me a couple of minutes ago when I stepped into the snowbank to
I
start
did.
working your wheel out.
I did that a minute ago. Okay.